welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a series of crochet stitch patterns, and to start with our series we are going to make a single crochet chevron. This chevron is a multiples of 11 stitches plus 1. So you make your foundation chain 11 stitches in multiples and add 1 at the end. So let's get started. So I made my foundation chain of 22 plus 1. So to start off, we're going to make 2 single crochets on the second chain from the hook. And we're going to make 1 single crochet in the next 4 chains. Now we are going to skip these 2 chains and we're going to make 1 single crochet again on the next 4 chains. So now we have created the down peak, or the bottom part of, it's not the bottom part, it's the, I don't know how we're going to say, it's the down part of our chevron. So we made our 4 single crochets. On the next chain we're going to make 3 single crochets. 1, 2 and 3. So 4 single crochets again, and we're going to skip 2 chains again and make 1 single crochet on the next 4 chains. For our last chain, make 2 single crochets. So now we have our first row for our single crochet chevron. So to move up, chain 1, and we're going to make 2 single crochets on the first chain. One single crochet on the next 4 chains. We're going to skip these 2 chains and we're going to make 1 single crochet in the next, second and the third, and on the peak one we're going to make 3 single crochets. Four single crochets again, and again we're going to skip these 2 chains, 1 and 2, we're going to make our 4 single crochets again, and on the last chain, this is our very last chain, we're going to make 2 single crochets. So this will be a very easy repeat pattern. So to move up again, chain 1 and then make 2 single crochets on the very first chain. Four single crochets again. Skip these 2. Make your 4 single crochets and 3 single crochets on the peak one. This is the high part of our chevron. So next we're going to make our chain. So you're going to skip 2. And on our last chain, we're going to make 2 single crochets. Remember, the multiples is 11, and then you can add 1 at the end of your foundation chain. And now you can just keep repeating our row of single crochets until your desired height for your project.